Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an Insecure Deserialization lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is using application functionality to exploit insecure deserialization. Lab uses session mechanism. Feature invokes a dangerous method on data provided in the serialized object. Edit object and delete morale.txt from Carlos' home directory. And then we have a couple accounts we can use to log in. Sweet. All right, let's take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. So we need to look for a dangerous method that uses data from the serialized object. And then we're going to use that for nefarious purposes. Okay, my account. Wiener Peter. Date. So we've got your email. Let's try each of these. Test one at blah.com. Update email. And let's change our avatar. I'm just going to take a picture, save it to Web Security Academy, Insecure Deserialization. We'll call it avatar. All right, browse. Where was I? Documents, home, courses, Web Security Academy. Where is it? Insecure Deserialization, avatar. Upload. Okay, that's our new. Now, before I delete account, well, do I want to do that right now? No. Let's see what we got. So proxy, HTTP history. All right, let's start here. Login. Let's see. Change email. Didn't do anything. Post avatar. Didn't change anything. I mean, all right, so let's take this, copy, decoder, boom, decode as URL, decode as base 64. All right, we need to edit the serialized object and use it to delete a file. Okay, so I think we change this path to delete and then delete our account. We can do this on freaking Greg so that we don't delete our, well, we can delete either. Doesn't matter. What was, it doesn't matter. We need to make sure we set the length and then change this and then delete the account. This is a inspect form my account / delete. I don't know if it's gonna ask me, but let's start working this script. Copy. Control C. Python utils create script. Okay. Take that, copy, paste, enter vim using. All right. First thing we need to do is blog.login with Wiener Peter. Do we need? I mean, we cheated in the last one. Not cheated, but we took a shortcut. Should we just do it again? Yeah, let's do it. Session. This should be our, like that. And then the user's wiener. So all we need to do is change this from wiener avatar link. Avatar equals wiener. Users wiener avatar. So I'm trying to figure out, we need to delete morale.txt file from Carlos's home directory. So I expect it should be /home/Carlos/morale.txt, right? And it's a string. Let's count how many characters it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 23. So we need to change this to 23. Is that right? Avatar link? I don't know. Let's just try it. All right, let's open up what we did. Data types. Session equals that. And then we need to delete our own account, which, what did I decide it was? Oh, is a post inspect to that URL. Copy. Whatever. My account /delete. So instead of get response, we need to blog, not shop. Post. Do I have any like general blog post? Tills site post exploit submit solution login. Nope. No general one. So blog dot. So we need to use requests for this. If blog dot no proxy requests dot post. I haven't done this in so long. Resp equals request dot post. The URL will be blog dot base URL plus, what was it? my dash account slash delete, my dash account slash delete. And then what do we want to put? It doesn't, we don't post anything. We just, I mean, there's nothing specific we need to post to it. We just post that. If else response equals this, and then I need proxy equals utils dot proxies verify equals false log dot info. Let's just print resp.text, and then let's just do that. We can check if it's solved later. All right, let's fix this crap. Import base 64. I need to make that. We need other one, which is from URL lib.parse import quote. Oh, I need to use the cookies. Cookies equals cookies. All right. Should be good. The only problem is this one's too long. That's all right. Let's give it a shot and see how we did. I don't know what just happened. Proxy. Oh, look at that. So we did get it done. We should have just checked it. Blog.is solved. Right there. What's the issue? Missing timeout? Whatever. Let's just run it, get our solve. Receive unexpected. Oh, it's because we deleted the account. All right, whatever. We solved it. Yay! Pretty cool. So we used the functionality, delete functionality, by editing our session token. We were able to get the application to delete a file from another user just by replacing the contents with that path, this path, so that when we deleted, that file was deleted. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.